Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Muzamil bin Khairul Omar, matric number 206452. I am Baptist Agam 30. Today, I will talk about causes, effects and solution to global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the average temperature of Earth has increased since 1950 until now. The temperature continuing increasing. Global warming can also refer to climate change that causes an increase in the average of temperature. However, global warming are caused by natural events and movements that are believed to be contribute to increase in average temperature. The issues that causes global warming are divided into categories, which is natural and human influence of global warming. The first natural causes of the global warming is natural rotation of the sun that changes the intensity of sunlight and moving closer to the earth. Second is greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas are carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. It traps the solar heat rays and prevents it from escaping from the surface of the earth. This has caused the temperature of the earth increase. For the first human influences on global warming is Industrial Revolution. Industrials have been using fossil fuel for the power machine. Everything that we use is involved in fossil fuel. For example, when we buy a mobile phone, the process of making mobile phone have involved machine and machine use fossil fuel. During the process, carbon dioxide is releasing the atmosphere. Next is effect the global warming. The first effect is melting ice. As the temperature increases, the ice at the North Pole will melt. Once the ice melts, the first effect will be rise on the sea level because the melting glaciers become oceans. It affects many low-lying areas such as the Netherlands. In future, the Netherlands will be covered by once the North Pole is melt. However, it is not going to happen so fast, but the sea level will continue rise. Another effect is the species loss of habitat. Species that include polar bear and tropical frogs will be extinct due to climate change. In conclusion, overall of this speech, I have understood that our Earth is sick. We women need to heal the Earth. Global warming have causes many problems for women, but we women who make global warming happens. Many people have died because of disease or disaster. It also affects the economies of the country. Our generation should start taking care of the earth because in the next generation they will suffer if we do not reduce global warming. That's all from me. Thank you.